Hello, I'm Kathy Naasz, the Dean of Business, Mathematics, Engineering, and Technologies. And I'm here today in our new facility, the Advanced Manufacturing Engineering Center. This month is Community College Month. And I'm so happy we take the moment to focus on community colleges. I want more to be aware of our facilities and faculty and get to know the programs that we offer. Academic Influence has ranked County College of Morris as number 17 in the country. We have some great things here. In my school, business, engineering, computer science, information technology degrees, hospitality, culinary, criminal justice, and mathematics. We're here, we're local, come check us out and be part of the success of County College of Morris.